Hi, my name's Andrea and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about grow lights and grow light setups. Whether you're a beginner gardener just starting out or experienced gardener and just want to try starting your plants from seed instead of buying from the nurseries, here's a little guide to a few setup options that might work for you, just like the one behind me. When I first started growing, it was 2020, COVID hit, and I had a lot more time stuck indoors at home with the kids and wanted to teach them the same things my dad taught me as a kid growing, but I didn't have that much experience growing a garden as an adult, but I thought I'd give it a shot just like you can at home right now. So when I first started growing, this was my setup. It was right in the middle of my kitchen against a wall, a few clip lights. I had a few pendant lights hanging. I moved a few shelves off to make room for taller plants to grow some herbs, some lettuce, some pepper plants, tomato plants indoors. And the top shelf I used for starting seedlings for the garden in the springtime. It doesn't have to be very expensive to get started. Here's a few kits off Amazon I found between $100 to $160. You have a indoor greenhouse frame already set up with grow lights, comes as a little kit. All you have to do is order it, put it together, and there you have it, your little indoor greenhouse frame. If you don't need a big greenhouse frame like this, just want to have a little pot with some herbs and lettuce on a shelf in your living room, or just want to start one tray of plants from seed, you don't need anything fancy. All you can do is go to Canadian Tire or your local hardware store, pick up a grow light just like this one. This one's a Noma brand from Canadian Tire. Pop it into a clip light or a little light on your counter or your table, and just have it hanging over your tray or your plant, and away you go. Want to go with a pre-set up route and you just want to have a greenhouse frame and some light spots separately. They do sell indoor greenhouse frames on Amazon, or you can buy them on Facebook Marketplace. Keep an eye out there. Sometimes people are giving them for free or for cheap, and then you can go on Amazon or go to Canadian Tire and buy some lights separately. I do have a few other setups where I don't have designated grow lights, but I'm using shop lights as well, but they just have to be at a certain high wattage. It's just easier starting off with grow lights, so you know that you're getting a setup that's going to work for plants and it's already made for growing indoors. So there you have it. Hopefully this was helpful. Guide to get you started, give you a little pointer tips on which direction to go. If you have any questions, pop it in the comment box below. Feel free and hit subscribe in order to help other people find videos like this so they can get started as well. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.